In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to export chat from Telegram. So let's get started. So I'll show you two ways on how you'd be able to do this. First is that you'd be able to export individual chats. Like for example, I would want to export only this chat right here in Telegram. To do that, you just simply need to go into the chat or conversation and click here on the three dots on the top right, and then you would have the export chat history. So now you can export the photos, videos, voice messages, video messages, stickers, GIFs, files, and then you can input the file limit in here for the file that will be downloaded or exported, and then you can select the format in here. You could go for HTML or JSON, and then you can see the path on where the downloaded file will be located on your device. You could also change that if you'd want. And then you could go from oldest message to present. So you can sort it this way depending on how you'd want it. And then once you are done with your settings, you can now click here on export. And then that's it. It's now initializing. And then when it's done, you will now be able to see that on your storage where you have specified your download location to be. When you click here on show my data, you'd now be able to go into that folder. And as you can see, we now have it right here. I'm not going to show it because it's sensitive data. But yeah, this is basically where you'd be able to do that. And next is that you could also export all of your conversation as a whole. So how you'd be able to do that is by going here into the three horizontal bars on the top left, go into settings. And then next is that once you're in the settings, you want to go here into advanced and then scroll all the way down and click on export Telegram data. And then go here into chat export settings. Just go for the files that you would want to be exported along with your chats, like private channels, public groups. You can also go for media export, like the photos, videos, and many more. And then same thing, navigate to the very bottom. You can see the format and then download path and click on export. And yeah, that is basically it. Same thing with the chat right here that we have exported. So just wait for it to finish and that's it. So that's how you'd be able to export your chat from Telegram. And basically, you need the desktop app for this. It might not work if you are in the mobile app. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.